What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you 10 lessons I wish I knew when starting my business. These lessons are things I've learned the hard way, and if you're just getting started, trust me, these tips will save you time, money and a lot of headaches. So let's dive right in. Lesson number 1 is speed. In business, speed is everything. Move fast. The quicker you take action, the quicker you'll see results. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for everything to be perfectly aligned. The truth is, opportunities won't wait for you and your competition is moving fast. So make decisions quickly and execute them just as fast. Speed wins in business. Lesson number 2 is work ethic. This is the foundation of everything. There's no shortcut to success. The more you put in, the more you get out. If you're not working hard every single day, someone else is outworking you. Be willing to sacrifice, grind it out, and stay consistent. Your business won't grow without hard work, so put in the hours. Lesson number 3 is sales mastery. Whether you like it or not, every business is a sales business. If you can't sell, you won't make money. Master the art of sales, whether it's face-to-face or online. It's about understanding people's needs, solving their problems, and presenting your product or service as the solution. The better you get at sales, the more your business will thrive. Lesson number 4 is risk-taking. If you want to make big money, you need to take big risks. The most successful people took calculated risk at some point. Don't be afraid to take risk in your business. But remember, it's not about being reckless. It's about being strategic and weighing the potential rewards against the risk. You can't win big without stepping out of your comfort zone. Lesson number 5 is focus on value. If you want to be successful, always prioritize providing value to your customers. Your business exists to solve problems. The more value you give, the more money will come your way. So focus on creating real value for your clients or customers, and they'll always come back for more. Lesson number 6 is networking. Your network is your network. Build relationships with other successful people. They can open doors to opportunities that you might never have access to otherwise. Be intentional about who you surround yourself with. Strong, like-minded people who push you to be better. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know. Lesson number 7 is mentorship. Find someone who's already achieved what you want to achieve and learn from them. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Learn from others who've already made mistakes and found success. A mentor can save you a ton of time and help you avoid costly mistakes. So seek out a mentor and listen to their advice. Lesson number 8 is branding. Your brand is more than just a logo, it's your reputation. What do people think of when they hear your name or see your logo? Build a strong brand that reflects who you are and the value you provide. Lesson number 9 is adaptability. The business world is constantly changing and you need to be flexible. Don't get stuck in your ways. Be ready to pivot if necessary and adapt to new trends. If something's not working, don't be afraid to change it up. Staying adaptable will keep you ahead of the curve. And the final lesson for today is customer focus. Your business exists because of your customers. Listen to their feedback, understand their needs, and continuously improve your product or service. When your customers are happy, they'll become loyal, and loyal customers bring in more business. Make customer satisfaction your top priority. So there you have it, 10 lessons I wish I knew when starting my business. These tips have been game changers for me, and I'm sure they'll help you too. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.